I wanted to share what I've been making in my Omnia oven recently, and I baked some potatoes yesterday, and I also baked this, it's gluten-free Southwestern bread, so it has like black beans and peppers and onions and jalapenos and some spices in it, and then I cut it up into portions and put it in these bags. So these are pre-baked, and I just refrigerate everything, and then for breakfast, what I do is I cut this, the horizontal, and then I have 2 slices, and what I do is I put them in this little mini waffle maker that I got at a thrift store. I can't get this sticker off, but I only paid like, I think $3 for this. And I use it in my Grecell H2400 power bank. And you can see it takes quite a few watts. But you only use it for like maybe 3 or 4 minutes each time, if even that. So it doesn't really use that much power. I'm at 99% now, and there's obviously plenty of sun outside to recharge it, so I'm not really worried. But that's awesome. This will heat up, and right now I have one of the potatoes in there. And because they're pre-baked, you just stick them in there and they just smush down, and then you put some salt and pepper on it, and it's absolutely amazing. But that's going to be my breakfast, and I just wanted to share all the things that I can do in a van for low or minimal power, because when I bake both of these dishes, I just use the propane because I can use the Omnia oven on the burner. So there's my little potato waffle. I'm going to season it in a minute, but I've sliced this in half, and now I'm going to put this in this waffle iron and just smush it down to heat it up. And it slowly goes down. And then I will give that some time. And as it heats up, it'll soften the bread, so I'll push it down again. But for now, it's fine. I just put some salt on there, and now I'm just going to throw some pepper on there. I like a lot of pepper. And there we have it. It's all seasoned. And let's try it. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's like french fries. Oh, it's hot. I'm just going to push that down more now that the bread is softened. Okay, now this should be done. Yeah, now we have like a little piece of waffle bread. Oops, it's really hot. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's going to be awesome. You can put avocado, you can put some Greek yogurt or sour cream on there, even some hot sauce, and it's high protein because I made it with Greek yogurt and gluten-free flour, and I even put some cottage cheese in there. So, I mean, there's a million things you can do with that oven, the Omnia, and then making bread loaves that are higher protein and less carbs if you're, into that kind of thing. But this one, I'm stoked. I think I'm just going to throw some hot sauce on it. You know how we do here. There we go. That should be enough. Okay, let's try this little waffle. I'm so excited about this. It's perfect. It tastes like a burrito. Okay, now this one's done. So I'm going to unplug it. And if you look, it only took 3% of this whole thing to do that much, because I used it 3 times, and it only took 1% each time to use it. So that's not bad at all. Let's get this one on the plate. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot, 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 hot. And I'm going to leave that open and let it cool off. And now I'm going to enjoy these steaming hot Southwest waffles. Yay!